So within 3 days, we earn more or less 10k, no? 163 in USDT. I guess so today share ko lang itong recent update, which is the February community update ni Mavia dito, as well as itong trading bot natin. As of the moment, meron na tayo ditong profits na 761 in USDT. And meron tayong 6 bots. Marami din nagtatanong dun sa recent video natin. Mga example, parameters below 100 USDT. We'll discuss that sa video natin today, no? So, back muna tayo dito. As per checking dito guys sa Twitter or X ni Heroes of Mavia, meron silang inilabas na update or tweet 20 hours ago as of recording this video. So, ito yung pinaka Mavia's February community update. Yung tokenomics nila, game stats, roadmap, at marami pang iba guys, no? So, i-discuss natin yan today. Pero before we start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first. Subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates. For now, punta muna tayo dito sa update na to. Mamaya din, bibigyan natin ng perspective itong trading bot. Ayan. Dito nga guys, as mentioned sa kanilang recent blog post, no? Hinighlight lang naman nila dito yung pinaka-token launch. It was successful. Token vesting style nila, yung token emissions, kung paano nagkakaroon ng vesting schedules, yung mga future unlock, yung pinaka-tokenomics dito guys. Ito, sobrang interesting dito guys kasi merong allocation for the community and ecosystem, no? Meron din for gameplay rewards. Ang dami ditong interesting for the community guys, no? As we observe, sobrang laki ng allocation for the community, 44%, and gameplay rewards is 10%. So that's kalahati nung pinaka-total supply will be allocated to the rewards as well as airdrop, no? Meron din silang airdrop dito na 3.5. So this is more or less nasa 60% pinaka-total supply ng kanilang token is that allocated to the community, no? Dito din guys, diniscuss nila yung pinaka-bulk as well as yung pinaka-DAO governance nila, details ng smart contracts ng sa Mavia airdrop, yung number 2 and number 4 smart contracts they mentioned dito, yung pinaka-claim spike, no? Kung saan yung pinaka-active days, no? The claiming period after na malist, which is February 6, February 7, tas February 10, February 11. Sobrang daming mga nag-claim dyan. Holders as well, they mentioned that dito. Tapos yung mga transfers, no? Game stats, yung DAUs, daily active users, they also discuss sa iPhone. Tapos sa Android, downloads reach over 1.6 M na. Yung nostalgia ng Axie Infinity before, I remember. But yeah, own opinion ko lang naman to guys. Again, yung discussions natin dito is just an update. And it's my own perspective lang dito. And hope you get some ideas dito guys. No, this video just for reference and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some ideas lang dito. So, ito yung mga daily ranks, no? And yung pinaka-soft staking nila na Season 5 will be available as well. They mentioned dito na if meron kang pinaka-land is that you'll get some rewards dito. And if meron kang holdings ng Mavia is that you can get some rewards dito guys. Kaya isa din sa mga factors na nagkaroon ng pagtaas ng presyo itong si Mavia kanina, no? So, 9.4 kanina, which is hitting yung pinaka double taps doon. Ito isa sa pinaka-importante, itong pinaka roadmap nila guys, no? They have this potential layer 2. We'll see kung saan siya magkakaroon ng layer 2. Maraming mga gaming layer 2 na tweet na nila yan kasama Immutable X, Ron, mas okay kasi Axie Infinity, Mabisab is very active as well on the play to earn side na blockchain. So ito yung potential nila na sasabihin in the next coming days. Yung launch ng Ruby Marketplace, ito guys, same as mentioned before sa mga videos natin. Itong Ruby is just like an SLP na kung saan you can earn sa pinaka-endgame rewards, no? And as of the moment, I have 1 for dito na Ruby since I started dito na maglaro 2 weeks ago, no? At itong pangatlo guys, yung pinaka, if meron kang Mavia is that you can have this endgame bonuses, which is Q2. Q2 guys is that, so April, May, June. And holders of Mavia token will receive additional bonuses inside the game. So sabi nila dito, more information on bonuses to be announced. At yung upcoming Alliance Wars dito, which is Q2 din, wherein the Alliance will have the opportunity to compete for gold, oil, and Ruby in epic battles guys. So yun, in-game Ruby, laging minamention yung Ruby. Tapos yung mga Mavia tournaments, cute din to. Ongoing game enhancement, new characters, fixing bugs, land renting and guild management. Ito yung mga diniscuss dito sa pinaka-roadmap ni Mavia guys, no? And sobrang exciting to, and isa sa na-observe ko kasi yung team nila is very active as well. So they keep updated yung community dito sa report nila, no? So this is Heroes of Mavia February Community Update. Ito yung pinaka-report, and na-tweet naman nila yan sa kanilang Twitter, no? So for now guys, punta muna tayo dito sa pinaka-trading bots natin. Ayan, home lao dito, tas trading bot. And then view my bots. So 6 yung running ko dito. So ito yung recent parameters na ginawa natin guys, no? Yung 3.3 to 76 na parameters. Pero today, I'll terminate lang muna ito. So meron na tayong profits just to secure yung pinaka-profits dito, and I'll create another sample dito for Mavia, no? So terminate ko na to guys, tapos mapupunta siya sa completed, no? So punta lang ako dito sa terminate, tapos confirm, and yun, successfully terminated. And check natin dito sa completed. Punta tayo dito sa futures grid. Ayun, so eto guys, na-terminate ko na to, and magbibigay din ako dito ng pinaka-example. Later this 8:30 PM, magsiset up ako dito ulit, and say for example, punta lang ako dito sa active, and then back muna ako dito. So yun, magsiset up ako dito guys, 8:30, no? Kasi on my end, upon observing sa price action is that retracement period yung time na yan. But again, that's not guarantee guys, no? I'm just observing the price action, and it does not happen all the time, no? So sa mga nagtatanong na lang, bibigyan ko na lang din dito ng perspective, which is for example below 100 USDT guys, no? So gawa tayo dito. Yeah, we'll double check ko muna pala yung completed. Ilang days to? This is 3 days, no? So within 3 days, we earn more or less 10k, no? 163 in USDT. Yun, magbibigay dito ng example sa mga nagtatanong specially, no? So dito guys, punta lang tayo for example sa home. Yung pinaka-official link ng app na to, ilalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na to para mapuntahan nyo guys, no? And para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links online, meron na ding trading fee discount, and that's good benefit if you use some official links na merong pinaka-trading fee discount, kasi trading bot is real time siya nagkakaroon ng buy and sell, and just to lower yung fees, no? So punta lang dito sa home, and then trading bot, and then futures grid, and then pagkatapos niyan dito sa taas, check ko lang dito si for example Mavia. Ayan, and then select ko lang to. Again guys, itong pinaka-tutorials or guide na to is that not financial advice. I did not guarantee yung pina-profits, kasi kanina if you can see, may profits tayo, pero it depends sa end pa rin nyo guys, no? Kasi pwede na profits ako, kayo ay loss, and itong pinaka-idea na to is just an example lang guys, no? So ngayon, ito yung pina-price range. I think pwede naman to guys, no? Pwede naman ito na gayahin. Pagkatapos nyan, pinaka-default, tapos long. But on my end siguro, I'll do manual lang. And then dito, siguro palitan ko lang mga 3.1. Tapos ito, palitan ko lang siguro mga 18. Yan. And then sa number of grids, maybe around, sabihin natin 58 siguro. Ayan. And then dito sa leverage, again guys, as mentioned, I always keep mentioning, it depends ito sa understanding ninyo. So maybe 12x, and dito, ito lang yung pinaka minimum guys na 5.2 sa setup na ito for Mavia USDT. And siguro set lang ako dito guys for the sake dun sa mga nagtatanong, maybe 58 USDT, and then create now, confirm. So yun, simple as that guys. I have this setup na dito for Mavia below 100 USDT. Sa mga nagtatanong guys, again, it's just an example. Ayan, so kakaroon na siya dyan ng automatic buy and sell. Yun, hope you get some ideas dito guys sa mga updates. Sa mga nagtatanong, hope I acknowledge your questions dito guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.